Hi guys, Trello and Evernote are both popular productivity tools that can help you organize your thoughts and manage your tasks. But which one should you be using? Both Trello and Evernote have their own unique strengths and weaknesses, so it's important to choose the tool that best fits your needs. Let's take a deeper dive into these two tools to better understand what they are made of. Evernote is a note-taking tool that allows you to capture and store your thoughts in a variety of formats, including text, images, and audio. Its cloud-based design means all your media files are stored with Evernote instead of locally on your computer, so they are accessible via any computer or mobile device. As you create files on various devices in Evernote, it will automatically save and sync to its servers so you can access them later from a different machine. Beyond file storage and creation, Evernote has an impressive file index and organization system, making it easy to organize and search for notes based on certain qualities like contents, tags, and notebooks. Trello, on the other hand, is a Kanban-style project management tool that uses boards, lists, and cards to help you organize your thoughts and track your progress. Each Trello board comes standard with the ability to add members, comments, attachments, checklists, labels, and due dates to a Trello card. As work progresses, you are encouraged to drag cards around your Kanban board to indicate a status change. Trello is essentially project management software that favors simplicity and accessibility. In the battle of the platforms, this really is an unfair match as Evernote and Trello are essentially in different weight classes. Their main functions and target markets are widely different. Let's find out more about these platforms. What about templates? Templates are pre-made projects to copy and use for your projects. Trello templates are created by users and are free to use. The tool offers over 245 templates split into many categories. Evernote comes with over 55 templates to quickly clone and start working on projects. And for the integrations are part of both to make the experience a little bit easier. For example, Trello comes with integrations and Power Apps. Combined, you get over 250 apps to add to your projects. Some popular apps are Voting, Slack, OneDrive, Google Drive. Evernote can be linked with Trello as an integration. Evernote, on the other hand, comes with a few integrations: Gmail, Outlook, Google Drive, Slack, Microsoft Teams. And for the pricing, both offer a free plan, which is more than enough for individuals. However, in some cases, you need more options, which is where premium subscriptions come into place. Trello's free plan supports up to 10 free boards, unlimited cards and members, and a 10 MB max file upload limit. Trello's cheapest bid plan costs $5 per user per month if billed annually, getting everything from the free plan plus unlimited boards, advanced checklists, custom fields, unlimited storage, and also 1000 workspace command runs per month. The premium plan costs $10 per user per month. Everything in standard plus dashboard view, timeline view, calendar view, workspace calendar view, unlimited workspace command runs, admin and security features, and priority support. The enterprise plan starts at $17.50 for 50 users and offers advanced features like unlimited workspaces, organization-wide permissions, public board management, multi-board guests, and attachments permissions. Evernote has 4 plans including free, personal, professional, and teams. These prices are for the monthly subscription. The free plan costs $0, comes with 60 MB of monthly storage and the ability to sync two devices, which can potentially make it not suitable for most businesses. The personal plan subscription costs $9 per month, which ups the monthly upload limit to 10 GB and takes your maximum note size from 25 MB to 200 MB. You can also sync across unlimited devices. For $11 per month, professional plan subscribers gain access to task management tools as well as 20 GB of storage. You can also export notebooks into PDFs. Teams costs $15 per month with an annual subscription. You can collaborate in shared spaces with this plan. The prices may change with time. For details, you can look for the Evernote official website link in the description. So choosing between Trello and Evernote depends on your business and your needs. Trello is a project management app and Evernote is a note-taking program. It largely depends on your work type. If you want a solid management program to create, assign, follow, and complete tasks, go with Trello. If you want a note-keeping and documentation app with a project management touch, go with Evernote. Other than that, it's up to you. So yeah, that's it for this video. You can check the links in the description, that helps a lot, thank you. So hopefully this video helped you out and bye bye.